Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into an essential concept for any Python beginner, typecasting. Whether you're handling data conversion or debugging errors, understanding typecasting will take your coding skills to the next level. So let's get started and see how we can convert between different data types in Python like Pro. So typecasting. There may be time when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with typecasting. Python is an op language, and as such it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. So what is typecasting? Typecasting or type conversion refers to conversion one data type into another. In Python, we commonly need to change is typecasting. Typecasting or type conversion refers to converting one data into another. In Python, we commonly need to change types like string to integer or float to string, especially when working with user input or data processing. So types of typecasting. So there are two types of typecasting. First is implicit typecasting and the another one is explicit typecasting. So, in the implicit typecasting, this involves converting data types using built-in functions like int, float, string. For example, if we take, so let's take an example that number and string equals to 100 and number int equals to int number string. So print number int and let's say plus 5. So let's see what is the expected output. So the result will be 105. So it is in the explicit typecasting because this involves int, float, string, etc. For example. So let's take another example where value equals to 5 and print print type type value, and let's run the code. So it will tell us that the value 5 is of class int. So if you take another example of this, then let's say a equals to a equals to 1.0 and b equals to 4.0, and let me correct this. Let's take it equals to 9.0 and m equals to a into b. So print m and print type of. So let's print. So here you see that a equals to 9, b equals to 4. So m equals to a into b, which is 36, and print equals to m. So variable. So the type of function is float conversion. So in explicit type conversion, user need to manually convert data types mainly in typecasting and can be done within these data type function. First is int, float, or string. So if we take an example of a equals to 6.9 and uh, n equals to int a and print n, where print type of n. So so here the answer is integer. If we take out the integer, then output is here we are casting float into the data type within its function. So let's conclude to the another examples. So one is what will be the output of the following code. So if I run this code, let me say uh, a equals to 7 and b equals to 9 and c equals to, let's say, a into b. So what will be the expected? Okay, let's also check print type of c and print c. Let's run the command. So where the answer is c equals to a, so 7 9 is 63 and print c, so output will be 63 and the print type of c, then the variable type c is of integer type. So due to implicit conversion, Python automatically converts the variable c into the integer type. So let's check another example of this. And if I say print 7 and I will change 9.0. So now let me take it to the another question. Okay, control C and control V. Here, if I put 9.0 and now I print the question, then now you will see that first one is what 63, but it is of class int, and the another one is 7 into 9.0, which shows 63.0, and the class changes from float. Due to implicit conversion, and float has a higher priority than integer Python automatically converts the values variable c into the float type. So let's take another example, which is, let's say, a equals to Ajay and b equals to, let's say, 3 and c equals to a into b. So what is print type c? So now let's run the code. So you will see that the another class which was of a equals to Ajay and b equals to c equals to 3. So in Python it is allowed to a multiple string by an integer, but when we multiply by an integer, the same string repeats by integer times. Due to this, and hence the type of variable is a string in the case. So it's a wrap on typecasting in Python. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any question or topic you want me to cover next. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.